this? Is this Trey? Is this Lily's bed?
No, that's Trey's.
It's Trey's bed?
We don't want
Is it big or little?
That's big.
Is big?
Yeah.
Is it humongous? Are you making it? Good job, bud. You guys are silly.
Trey, I don't think I had a bed this big until college.
I'm pretty excited. Oh, are you guys going night-night? Be nice.
Uh-oh. Hey, Lil.
Who's playing with this? Is Sissy gonna sleep in here with you?
Yeah.
Yeah? And Mommy and Daddy too? Will we all fit? Okay, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Oh, Lily, no. Sit down.
I'm gonna get no blankets.
You want to see your blankets? What's on your blankets? What are those? What are those? Are those puppies? You have puppies on your bed? Good job, bud. Okay, are you done? Oh, touch nice. Lily can play on there too.
More blankets.
You're gonna get more blankets? I think that's all.